Is there a formula for becoming an exceptional writer? Maybe not. But listening to the advice of great novelists can definitely help. Today we are going to explore 10 of the most important writing rules from legendary authors that can sharpen your skills and elevate your storytelling. Hi, I'm Andrea from Bibisco, the novel writing software downloaded by more than 200,000 writers around the world to help them craft their stories. Let's dive in and discover what some of the greatest authors have to say about writing. Kurt Vonnegut reminds us how important it is to embrace our unique voices. Writing should reflect our experiences, culture, and personality. Readers are drawn to authenticity, so instead of following trends, be yourself and let your true voice shine. When you write as your genuine self, your work becomes more memorable, resonating deeply with those who read it. Don't be afraid to infuse your personality into your stories, because that is what makes your writing stand out. Stephen King advises against the overuse of adverbs strongly. Instead of relying on them, show emotions through dialogue and actions. A well-placed action speaks louder than a necessary adverb. For example, instead of saying she spoke angrily, you could show her emotion through body language and action. She clenched her fists and slammed the book shut. This approach makes your writing more vivid and engaging, allowing the reader to experience the scene rather than just being told about it. You might not want to hear this, but Margaret Atwood reminds us that writing is not just a passion, it's hard work. There are no guarantees, no easy paths. But if you stay committed and push through the challenges, you'll keep improving and growing as a writer. Writing requires dedication, discipline, and a willingness to accept setbacks. The journey may be difficult, but every word written, every draft revised brings you closer to mastering your craft. The key is persistence. Embrace the process and trust that improvement will come with time and effort. The advice of Toni Morrison is very inspiring. If the book you want to read doesn't exist, then write it. This is my favorite piece of advice because it perfectly reflects my own experience. When I created Bibisco, I was searching for a tool that could truly support writers in structuring their novels. And since I couldn't find exactly what I needed, I decided to build it myself. At the same way, passionate writing creates powerful story, and when you write from the heart, it resonates with readers. Think about the books that have left a lasting impact on you. What drew you in? What made you feel something? If there's type of story you wish existed but you can't find it, it's your chance to create something new for the world. Ray Bradbury believed in the power of practice. The more you write, the better you become. Writing regularly, even short pieces, helps develop your skills and creativity. You don't have to write perfect stories from the start. The important thing is to write consistently. Experiment with different styles, genres, and perspectives. With time, you refine your voice, learn what works for you, and gain confidence in your ability to craft compelling stories. Ursula again encourages us to nurture your childlike sense of wonder. Imagination is a writer's greatest tool, so allow yourself to dream big and create freely. Don't let self-doubt or rigid expectation limit your creativity. Explore new worlds, unusual characters, and unexpected scenarios. The best stories often come from pushing beyond the ordinary and embracing the magic of storytelling. Okay, before we move on to the point 7, I just want to say, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and bring you more content about writing. Hemingway's approach to writing is very simple. Be sincere. Honest, direct writing connects deeply with readers. Avoid unnecessary complexity and focus on the truth of your story. When your writing stems from genuine feelings and true experiences, your words will carry weight and meaning. Instead of dressing up your prose with elaborate language, aim for clarity. The more real your writing feels, the more it will impact your audience. Neil Gaiman stresses the importance of finishing your work. Even if it's not perfect, completing a project teaches valuable lessons and helps you grow as a writer. Too often, writers abandon stories midway out of frustration or doubt. But every finished story, even with flaws, builds your experience and confidence. Learn from each completed work and apply those lessons to your next project. George Orwell valued clarity and brevity. Cut out unnecessary words to make your writing stronger and more impactful. Less is often more. Every word in your writing should serve a purpose. If it doesn't add to the meaning, consider removing it. Concise writing keeps readers engaged and makes your storytelling more effective. Haruki Murakami suggests stopping a writing session while you still have ideas flowing. This may seem counterintuitive, but it ensures that when you return, you already have a clear direction, making it easier to continue writing without feeling stuck. This keeps your momentum going and makes it easier to pick up where you left off. When you leave a little fuel in the tank, you return to your writing with fresh enthusiasm. It's a great strategy to avoid writer's block and maintain steady progress in your work. So, there you have it. 10 essential writing rules from some of the greatest authors. Let me know in the comments below which rule resonated with you the most. And remember, if you're looking for a tool to help structure your novel and develop your characters, check out Bibisco. It's designed to support writers at every stage of the creative process. Happy writing and see you the next time.